Guys, it's Rick here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Like and subscribe if you haven't done that already. Today we're going to be doing Instant Pot rice and beans. I love my Instant Pot. It's so versatile. The first thing we're doing, I know my Instant Pot has a multi-grain function, but I don't like the texture. So I usually would cook the beans first, which is what I'm doing here. Yes, I'm putting in huge chunky onion because I want to be able to take it out when the beans is done. So I'm just going in with my beans and then I'm adding water. A lot of water. You don't have to measure here because we're going to just be straining out whatever is excess. Salt, do not forget to add salt. It's really impactful for flavoring at this point in time. I am going to close it, and this is what is going to blow your mind. I'm only cooking this for 5 minutes. Yes, an Instant Pot minute is not a real life minute, shall, but I'm only cooking it for 5 Instant Pot minutes. Now, once that is done, I'm actually going to release the pressure. So I'm not going to leave it to naturally release because that just continues to cook it. I'm going to manually release the pressure, and here is where we are. See, that's why I put it in chunky, because I want to remove it once this step is done. Now that this is out, I am just going to strain out the beans to remove the water. Let me show you. See? 5 minutes. Look how soft that is. It's very soft. And Nigerian oloyi beans actually cooks even faster. But remember, this beans particularly, I'm going to be adding in some rice. So I'm using Sela basmati rice. You can use regular parboiled rice. I do not recommend jasmine, so I would say Sela basmati or regular parboiled rice would be what I would recommend for this mix. And then I usually would season my beans depending on what cooking application I'm using it for. Today I'm adding Maggi, salt, bay leaf. I think I added some allspice as well, and ginger. You can just go in with whatever you love, whatever flavor pairing you enjoy, but definitely some salt and a little bit of Maggi for the Nigerian taste, and then I would say ginger would work really well as well. And then I'm adding in some coconut milk. You do not have to, but I'm adding in some coconut milk just for that extra flavor and to make this even a little bit more calorie dense, because my children are going to be eating this as well and they need all the extra calories they can get. Okay, so I'm just giving it a stir. A good point to remember here is that you don't want this to have too much liquid at this point, right? Because you want the rice and beans to absorb all of the liquid that you put in. At this point, it looks good, but I'm just going to adjust the water just a tad until it just looks, like this. So it's just above the rice and beans a little bit, not a lot, and that is that. I'm just going to cover it. And then I'm going to put it back. Remember, I had released it. I'm going to put it back to the still function. And then I'm going to use the rice function now. And I'm just going to cook it for 12 minutes. And it is done. Again, I used the manual release, not the natural release. It is done. It looks like this. All of the water is absorbed. All of the moisture is gone. And that is that. It is simple. It is easy. You cook everything in your Instant Pot and you have delicious rice and beans that you can serve with fish sauce or chicken sauce or beef stew or pepper sauce. The possibilities are endless, guys. Enjoy, and remember to like and subscribe for more incredible Nigerian recipes. Okay, bye-bye.